How to unregister GCash on registered phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily unregister GCash on your registered phone. So in order to do it, you just have to follow the steps. So for that, you just have to launch your GCash mobile application and then you need to tap on your profile icon. Then you need to select the option of settings. In the settings, you just have to tap on account secure option. Afterwards, you just have to register your phone. So on your GCash application, you need to input your mobile number and then you need to tap next. Then you need to enter the 6-digit authentication code and tap submit. Then you need to tap MPIN, then login and input your NPIN. Then you need to select yes and register this phone. Prepare for a selfie scan and take your selfie scan or enter your MPIN. You will see a page confirming your phone's successful account secure registration. So you will also get an SMS confirming your phone is registered to your GCash account. If you want to unregister it, then you just have to follow the steps, but before that, you just have to make sure that you read this note. Before switching to a new phone or reinstalling the GCash application, please unregister or remove your registered phone from your GCash account first. To unregister, you just have to open your GCash application and then tap on profile icon. Then select settings and then tap on account secure option. Afterwards, you need to tap on unregistered phone. Then you need to review and confirm the details and tap on the yes button and unregister. Then you need to take your selfie, scan or enter the OTP. You will see a page confirming a successful registration of your phone. You will also get an SMS confirming your phone has been unregistered to your GCash account. So after following these instructions, you will be able to easily do this. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.